If you they look me koro and they hear me whine, I be say you stand that gidigba on top of the senior brother of all the television where they inside the world, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. As we they talk, as it they hot from 10 to 11 every weekday. Don't make every weekday Christmas sake of say all the talk when we say he consign us inside our Obodo Nigeria, we go come here, discuss them, give you license to talk them as the team be you for body, so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action. My name na Ezugo Chokwode, and as usual I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as they concern any hot matter as it is hot.
Good morning, our wonderful viewers who don't carry that same program coming out again. What will be the name of the program? As it is hot. That political program where they do it, where they sunshine now with different political information where they happen for our country, Nigeria. And for today's matter, it no go different from the regular ones because we get under interesting matter for now. I know say yes. By the time we go start to unleash and they talk about them, now that is now interest go even come build up to the point where we say now we say make we open our phone like quick so that now we chook mouth. And also we get our one of our big time guests, one of our Bonga masquerade. I mean, one of our top guests where they normally visit, where they normally come join us for the program, he there for house, and then with me and Chukwudi and we go do it. We go look into the matters, talk calm. My name never still change. My name is Nkubi, and this now as it is hot.
The Ogbonge visitor will not join us inside studio. Now, no other than a broadcaster of international repute and journalists when we say plenty people they look up to him to learn from him. Not topic when you go to discuss. When we say no go fit chook mouth and make plenty sense on top. Oga Bola Oba seasoned. When I say seasoned, I mean political analysts when we say they cook am. Welcome to As It Is Hot.
So good, oh, thief.
But that's why they talk now, no be lie.
Unkobi, Boba hot in jail. Sorry, Unkobi, sorry. Your name resembles Unkobi.
It does. Some people they call me Unkobi. My name is Unkobi.
Make we no to waste time. Make we just go straight to the point. I go give breakdown so that everybody go understand the way when the thing they come. Since May 29, when we say our new president, Muhammadu Buhari, don't sit down on top of the chair as Oga Patapata of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, he don't make them they very, very clear. Everywhere when he go, they talk him. Say all the people when we say they don't chop Nigeria money, when chook their hand inside the account of Nigeria, can't spend the money when belong to all of us anyhow. Say go make sure say all of them come and give account of how they take spend or chop the money. And anybody when we say then discover say yes, so he chop the money, even though the person there in political party, even though the person na in friend, he go make sure say the person come out and answer all the question that is what people they call to face the music. Make we fast forward and enter the month of August. Plenty action can happen. We hear say on the 6th of August, former president when just leave the chair now, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, according to Sahara reporters, they say for the dead of the night, that is for midnight, saying sneak, enter inside the Aso Villa, go do meeting with President Muhammadu Buhari. They say nobody snap picture, nobody hear anything. Everything when they discuss now between President Muhammadu Buhari, Oga Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, and God Almighty when they see everything. The following day, before President 2, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, August 7th, he carry waka, enter inside Aso Villa. Now then snap some picture and he talk one talk when he finish. He say for the meeting when he get with President Muhammadu Buhari, he tell him say all the people when chop Nigeria money, make sure say they collect the money back. Fast forward to August 11th, some kind senior people when they call daddy in the Lord for inside Nigeria. They carry waka go meet President Muhammadu Buhari. For amongst these people when go, Pastor Ayo Odisejafo, Oga Patapata of Christian Association of Nigeria, in there inside. The primate of the Church of Nigeria Anglican Communion, Nicholas Oko, in there inside, and also the Sultan of Sokoto. All of them carry waka go meet with Oga Presido. After the meeting, the spokesperson of that peace committee, Dr. Matthew Hassan Kuka, the Bishop of Sokoto, come out, come talk, say, they don't discuss with Oga Presido. Say they talk when they talk with them, and say, if time reach to punish people when we say they chop Nigeria money, make them make sure say the punishment, everybody when chop the money, now go account for them. So that everybody for Nigeria go believe say, yes, so these people when chop Nigeria money, now everybody now they go punish. But plenty of people don't come and come and say, why people go dey visit Oga Presido, especially this National Peace Committee. Say the visit when dem carry go, e be like say dem dey ask for soft landing for the former Presido and all the people wey chop money. The question when we get to ask now na say, this visit, monkey hand dey inside, abi na from the bottom of their heart dem go as e dey hot. Oga Gbolaoba, I don give the summary. Over to you. You know say you no follow them. I know say you no follow for the visit. But you go talk. Them. You go talk for this matter.
Fear first catch me.
No let fear catch you.
You know the thing wey make fear catch me.
Why fear catch you?
As you talk Oga Gbolaoba, I think say you dey accuse me.
No,
I think say you dey accuse me.
I know they
you could no go fit try now.
Ibrahim no dey my name.
I think say you accuse me say I follow them go. You go beg Oga, say make you know this.
Oh, so for na beg then go beg.
I don't know.
But you maybe this one where you dey come from.
The way where you talk now, the way you dey build them.
No, I think some people talk say monkey hand. Whether monkey hand dey, where we say
the issue of
7th, 11th.
The issue of soft landing and all these things. That would
make we dey serious now. The thing wey reasonable, wey government supposed to do, be say when you get body of evidence wey be like this.
To catch person red-handed.
When you get body of evidence wey be like that for criminal, after you don't do your investigation, you go call your prosecutor. Go prosecute them for court. If care is not taken, I dey pray for Oga Buhari, make he no let this newspaper trials and this newspaper finger pointing, make he no let am end up as mere newspaper finger pointing and trials. If we no quick get convictions in the next 1 to 1.5 years, it go boomerang for him head and it go affect him.
Boomerang na wetin Yoruba people dey call dakpada. We go come back.
Madarikon.
Madarikon, it go bounce back.
Madarikon.
Who be talking for Igbo now? You know say you
no be Igbo.
You get A1 for Ntuwari. I know I'm but I want to answer you because you can't be like say you confuse when me and am dey speak.
So the thing wey happen now be say, apart from all the other extrajudicial machinery, extrajudicial, where did they call am? The thing wey no dey within the court system.
Or the
apart from all the extrajudicial blom wey Oga Buhari and all these APC people dey play, because you know blom no be Premiership League. Premiership League na real soccer. This blom wey they play, me wey I be one of their supporters, because you know me I don't dey lie. I pray say somebody dey advise am say blom as him play good reach for Pikin, na Pikin league o. Soccer na big boys league.
Big men dey play am now.
If you get evidence against people, take them to court.
True.
If you be say you don dey call people for night, you don dey call some people for night, you don dey call people people wey be say dem be eminent personalities, wey we know the agenda wey some of them chase in the past government. Papa will reject Jeffo. We know where in dey.
And you know me.
Anglican Bishop Oko. We no say in dey anywhere.
Hassan Kuka.
Hassan Kuka dey speak in grammar dey go. Sultan of Sokoto, we know where they in dey that time. You understand? If for law, I do small law. I no be lawyer.
But you do small.
I do small law. For law, if you no manage evidence well, evidence fit enter court. Evidence wey supposed to give you positive result fit enter court, make it turn around you.
True.
Oga Gbolaoba, make we even twist.
You say true?
If you go to
I don't know say I get common sense reach. Make you agree with me.
Make we twist am around. You don't talk say look, if Oga Muhammad Buhari find facts, say okay, this person say somehow your government somehow they corrupt, and you can't see evidence, can't do research, see evidence. Because okay, carry and go court. More go also look the visits and the committee of the way Oga Abdulsalam the head. No could look am. Can also look the kind of visit we don't see so far. Especially the issue of this soft landing where Oga Abdulsalam they raise say okay, make we get soft landing.
Where
I mean where
you heard that for a month.
I don't know, but soft landing just come inside the matter. Soft landing. We don't know what this soft landing mean. No. Okay, if you want bring in soft landing, make also be in mind say by the time you go say you want investigate the particular government of Oga Jonah, make you also know say there are also other governments in the past where you also need to do this thing, where you also need to investigate. And bear in mind say Oga Abdulsalam also was part of a particular government where he had. By the time we go check this matter, where you think say this issue of soft landing they come from? Now soft landing for Oga Jonah, be soft landing for the entire investigate where they want investigate on corruption matter.
One thing where they ground, where no Nigerian, where get common sense, feel controvert. You go help me for that word controvert. Because you know, say I no go school well. And people who no go school well, the little big grammar where they hear.
They like use them.
They like use them too much. But one thing where no serious-minded Nigerian feel poke finger for him eye. Now say we be done they get governments in the past, administrations in the past, where our party government like Fela Singer no they let us hold to good account.
True.
I be no Nigerian feel fought that. Now, in the particular instance, myself they do like say, grammar just surge from my belly.
Just come out from nowhere. They happen like that.
In this particular instance now, we have, apart from the historical precedents, even Saliva come up with my we have two characters wait there for this picture, or three characters. Wait there for this picture, we shake my heart, say, and I pity Oga Buhari. You know why? He call Oga Jonah number one. Now God knows the thing where they talk. Secret meeting is not good in a democracy. You see the way I do my mouth.
It's not good.
Yes.
I do my mouth like those Oyinbo people.
Exactly.
Secret meeting is not good in democracy. That's number one. Number two, we say, he call Oga OBJ. The place where I did, one of the major personifications of Nigeria's problem. Now you both speak so.
Continue.
One of the major personifications of Nigeria's problem is the person of OBJ.
I talk am for you on top of this show.
I know say make you validate am.
No. Now we don't talk am first before you
No, put me for problem. I never finish. I never finish. Because you talk am and me talk am. That one make am gospel.
Okay.
It be gospel.
No. Somehow.
Now the Bible.
Somehow.
Now Quran.
Somehow.
Come on road, make you get serious. Now to come to the issue of the extrajudicial committee. Wetin be extrajudicial?
Extra. Something when we say
additional.
Talk to our people at home.
Additional. That
Committee where say e no be court. Committee where say e no be magistrate court, no high court, no supreme court. Committee where say the person wey head am is dem don lead government before in the past. Where people dey shook hands say this thing. In the particular instance of this extrajudicial committee, myself I think say wetin be their role for criminal matter? Because if they don't help us, as God take help us, make them help us lubricate transition from one political loser to a political winner party. In this instance, it was the first time in our political history. How come if they call themselves peace committee, as they call them now, as people they call them now, Abdulsalam Peace Committee,
National Peace Committee,
or National Peace Committee? Some they call them Abdulsalam Peace Committee. I be wrong?
You know correct.
Okay. I know correct. Okay. I like you. You go tell me to my face. Them born you well now.
Make you no be like say now only na Abdulsalam inform am. Now why they carry that national put for the front?
I said some paper they call them Abdulsalam.
They call them.
But you say you don't say I not correct. I go take am. If to say now they come out, they say they don't go meet Boko Haram people. For the peace of Nigeria, Boko Haram won't negotiate. Say they don't go bomb Nigeria anymore. I go say Saddam Katasas. God go to bless una businesses and the thing will
because that one a very important issue.
I go to say.
Now wetin concern them.
But make it be say we go Aso Rock, go the dance to Fela's paddy government again. Oh, Egba mi oh, is na government again. Oh, Egba ripa oh, paddy.
But Ogagbola,
Did I say wayo?
No, but
Ogagbola,
The thing they stop.
Ogagbola, make I bring am from this.
But your people, you know the thing we I like about this program is say, not to we three alone go they talk to ourselves like like gramophone.
Yes.
Very intelligent people where they watch you outside when they call,
They go chook
them
mouth.
go let us know whether it dey reasonable.
Say
where people wey no be judges and this thing
go visit
go clandestinely visit or openly visit.
Oga
See,
President.
Oga Bola, but what people need to do, we get Nigerians where they intelligent, where they sit down, they watch us right now.
Nah, yeah, they talk.
Nigerians where
Nah,
they
yeah,
say
they
yes, right about now, their own interest. Would they fight for? Not not the interest of some people.
We don't be a looter. We don't fight for anybody.
We know what
Nigerians can fight for themselves.
Yes.
May I reason this matter, bring am from somewhere now. If we check the composition of this committee, you understand? This one shows say whether we like am or not, Nigeria na country when we say it dey divided along ethnic and religious lines. You understand? Because the role of the Sultan of Sokoto, you know, person like Pastor Ayo Oriseja for the Church of Nigeria Primate, Bishop of Sokoto Diocese, you understand? And Abdulsalam Abubakar. This one also shows at least if we talk about say something dey happen for Nigeria, we go either go religion or we go say okay, now this place this person come from. Now, if we check wetin Hassan Kuka talk after they come out for that meeting, he talk say anybody dey free to come their committee, but say Oga Jonah no be by telephone or by letter or by visit. He never talk to them for that party. Say they don't follow am talk, they even not talk to the speaker even though they no see am. He come talk say this thing when they do now na package. And when they don't plan, say they won't use and hear everybody. Say, but they believe, say, everybody for Nigeria support Oga Presido to ensure, say, this corruption case now, make him fight until the thing finish. Now, the question I say, as people, when we say they be elders for Nigeria, when we say many of us, they look up to, because all these men of God, they be our fathers in the Lord. The Sultan of Sokoto to our father in the Lord. All these people, when they look up to, if they go meet Oga Presido, to just tell Oga Presido, say, the way when you they do this thing, make you do am so that you no go be like say
na military kind of approach.
And no be only one person. Because if you remember say when Oga Presido go America, they tell am say for the past 10 years, and that 10 years court enter the government of the late Yar'Adua and Chief Olusegun Obasanjo. And remember say some of these people went on the APC today. Many of them dey inside PDP before. So me, I believe say this thing when they talk now and say make the thing go around though, make it not be like say now only Goodluck Ebele Jonathan now he chop money for this country. Now wetin me at the reason am and I want make people they look am from that angle, because if we begin to look this thing like say now just this government now want they chook this matter into something fit happen. I just dey talk.
No, you don't ask your question now. Waiting, I take am easy now. You don't ask your question, make him answer. This is why you can't ask question. You see the answer, you provide answer for the question. Let him answer the question. Oga Bola, you hear what he talk. Put mouth. Don't look at me that way. Let him talk.
I hear the thing where you take rationalize your question before you ask question. You know, say you preach before you ask question.
I talk am, I bring am out, make everybody see where they come from, because my hands dey clean. Make it not be like say them talk say me I follow for the committee.
You know, say you preach well.
I preach, I carry am.
At a point, say if I want say preach on pastor, I want say am.
The thing touch you.
But it be like say the spirit, one spirit come hold me against you know the Sunday morning
Service
ministration. My brother, like I take start this our talk, the committee members, they are not members of the judiciary. The committee members, they no be state prosecutors. The committee members, then say nobody call them. If I no call you, say make you go help me, beg somebody, we get the power of the law to prosecute me. Who send you? I just dey ask o. You know me, I dey do something wey Oyinbo people dey call rhetorical question. Question wey I no say make you answer am.
Well, yes.
If I no send you market, who send you market? Number one. Number two be say, you sef wey dey come meet. You sef wey dey come meet. You no be court. If you be the president of Nigeria, you no be court. You are the leader, the executive arm of government, you are not the judiciary. The last time when me check, Abiolodo, I no sabi book well. You know I no sabi book.
No, I would learn.
The last time when me check, it is the power of the court of the judiciary to interpret laws.
The way it should be done.
And especially for criminal matters, the court now a very important part of the thing where Oyinbo people they call criminal justice system.
Make I add this one quickly. We don't see, we get EFCC down there for a very long time. But it be like say somehow you get one time when we say it be like only some people that they pursue, they leave some people. They later come like say they know they work. You don't think say the president as commander-in-chief of the armed forces and person when we say into say one fight corruption, now he go give them the ginger that is the political will to use to their work. Money, you know, you hear the thing where I do. You know, you see where I hide my hand. I see where you go your head.
If that's not the thing where our criminal justice system they reduce to now, then we be sick people.
But make we talk to now. What you don't be. Some people get phone number.
No.
If they don't call,
now just a couple of calls.
Say, that's my boy.
Exactly.
Sacred cow.
It will happen. Now it be. After all, under the government of Nigeria, why they say we not see any important person interrogate?
And they even give pardon. They even give pardon to somebody when we say he carry money.
Exactly.
We can mention name on that.
That one. Nigerians know that one. No, we don't. We know Nigerians self know.
Hey, my brother. If that not the thing where our criminal justice system don't reduce to now, where we say EFCC go be drama queen for a sitting president. You know the thing where they call drama queen? We know he had them for so many years. They go to bed. Now that they do gra-gra.
All of a sudden.
Even the people where they interrogate now, Saraki wife, although ostensible, open APC party member, but the internal politics of APC, he put them against the president, like some against the president.
If you say so.
Yeah. And all the other people, them be like, say, them PDP, this thing. So if you see somebody define fairness for my ear not too long ago, and I like that definition. He said, fairness is an instinct. If something is fair, you will just feel it's fair.
They don't have to tell you.
If Oga Buhari also go do like past leaders, especially like Obasanjo use no Ribadu, who go get, whose legacy go get the stigma?
Thank you.
Who?
Of course, now.
So if we Oga the correct, if you
we believe say correct.
If Oga Ed correct, making let the criminal justice system
do their work.
Do in work. He don't promise say he no go give any cover to anybody irrespective of the political party where that person belong.
Thank you.
If he do on that way, 10 years down the road, 20 years down the road, 15 years down the road, Nigerians go to follow talk say the era of Buhari na he raised the standard of righteousness for Nigeria. You know that
before you ask that question, we know as we do am for on top of Aside Hot. We don't reach the time when we say we go need quickly rush enter market because of the timing. When we go come back, Oga Gbolaba go just quickly go over wetin you discuss again before we throw the phone lines open as he not talk. Our people went there for house, the ever conscious and watchers of Aside Hot, then say sabi to talk for inside this matter and then go do am as e dey hot. We dey come back.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.